If you're new to fascia blasting, it can be so overwhelming. I get it, but I'm here today to help get you started in the most simple, effective manner. So I've been doing fascia blasting on my body for almost 12 years. I've been doing it professionally for 11 years, and I'm also certified by the FAA. I'm also certified by Ashley Black. I want to show you exactly how I suggest you use these tools and the reason why I want you to use them in this way. So first I'm going to demonstrate what the tools are. You have a small tooth tool, it's called the FaceBlaster. Then you have a deeper tooth tool, which is called the original. Then you've got supportive products like a fat metabolizing oil and a skin firming oil, along with a Cryo Pack to help you with those stubborn areas. And the idea is that this is all sold in one kit. Super easy, super great value. And now let's talk about how to use them. You always want to start with your superficial fascia, small tooth tool, because the fascia works in layers. So we want to go top layer to a deeper layer. I like for newbies to start working your joints. We tend to want to work the belly of the muscle. Fascia comes in and it's always trying to protect and stabilize our joints. So if we get our joints healthier, the belly of the muscle gets healthier and more beautiful. That's the most efficient way to do it. You're always going to be oiled up first so that you don't drag your skin. And this has fat metabolizing properties to it as well as skin firming. So it's really nourishment for the skin. Up with Cryo Pack, a cold pack that you keep in your freezer. You put it on your body and it really helps with two things. Those stubborn fat areas, but also really helps pull that inflammation out that your body is fighting every day. The questions I get all the time, they're like the same ones almost over and over and over. Why do we need to do superficial layers of fascia and work to deeper layers? It's kind of like an onion. We want to restore the outer layers so that we can get to the deeper layers. So if the outer layers is unhealthy and we're treating the outer layers, but we're trying to treat already to the deep layer, it's not as efficient and as effective. Another question I get all the time is, how long do I have to stay in that one area? Well, I have to say, if you're starting, whatever you can do consistently is important. If you're willing to put in a little bit more time, I say 3 minutes to start within an area and work yourself to 5 minutes, but you want to really try to go for warmth and blood supply. So when you're working the area, it will start to get warmer in that area and it will start to see a little reddening in that area. That's how you kind of know, okay, I've gotten some nourishment, blood supply to the surface of my skin. Then you can call it a day. Think about this though. We've got a whole body. So if you're trying to think, okay, I don't like my booty or my belly or the back of my arms the most, you might start by really trying to work on those areas and put in a routine to work 3 to 5 minutes in those areas 2 to 3 times a week. After you're getting a routine down with that, then move to the second area. Don't overwhelm yourself. The whole key is consistency. The next question people always ask is like, why do I have to be hydrated? Fascia is only made of 2 things, collagen and hydration, water. So if you're dehydrated inside, you're like swimming upstream with everything you're doing. So here you can move yourself 1 step, 2 steps forward when you're doing the actual work. But then if you're dehydrated, it's all going to get stuck back together at the end, right? How do you know what direction to go in? Well, don't overthink that. There's only one direction not to go in. No circles, but you can go cross, up and down, diagonals, just no circles. Otherwise, don't worry about it and just get your body moving. Another question we get, especially when I kind of coach and I say, okay, start with the joints, get those healthy, get that tissue moving around there, then go to the belly of the area. They say, do I only do the joints? No, if you have more time, move to the belly then. But if you don't have much time, just go to those joints and get those a little healthier and then improve. That will get faster, healthier, and then you can go into the belly over time. I can do a short demonstration. You would use that same idea in the stomach or a thigh, front or back. You can use this all over your whole entire body, down to the bottom of your feet, the palms of your hand, and even on the scalp to help with circulation, removing inflammation in here, improving blood flow so that we get hair growth, and helping with like headaches, jaw tension. It is endless, my friends. Once again, this beginner's kit is perfect. I'm going to show you stomach, because stomach is probably one of the areas that women most of the time want to improve. What I like to think about is going through the area that I want to treat. So most women want to treat right here in the belly. I like to go through the hip joint, around the ribs on both sides, and then the belly. Then you're going to start with your small tooth tool so that we can work superficial layers before we go in deeper layers. And I'm going to start like up and over my hip bone, up and over there. Warm, warm, warm. Up, over the rib, underneath underneath the breast tissue, back in the back, on the side, and I'm going to repeat that on both sides. Then I'm going to put my knees together, squeeze my rear end, put my hips forward, so it gives me a little bit more stretching out the tissue or the fat that I have in my stomach, and then I'm going to scrub up and down. For these beginners, this is easy. Just scrub up and down. It's a little workout for the arms. It's perfect. Then you can go side, a little side. And I'm going side from the hip bone to the belly button, kind of in a diamond shape, to do like a prettier shape belly. I'm going to repeat that to both sides. Then I'm going to repeat the exact same thing with the big tooth tool. So I'm going to scrub over my bones, over the hip bones. I'm going to do the ribs, front, side, and back. Repeat other side. Squeeze my knees, flex my rear end, lean back, and scrub my stomach. The whole thing could take you up to 3 minutes. As you've gotten more seasoned, your tissues got more familiar with it, your arms got more endurance, you can work yourself up to 5 minutes. Then if you have stubborn fat or a lot of inflammation, these are dreamy. She's made the best cryo packs. They don't drip all over you. They stay cold for a long time. You're just gonna lay that right on the area. It's got a Velcro back, so you can put that right over your stomach and around your waistline and hold that. If you tend to build more at the top of your ribs, you might keep it there. Bottom of your ribs, you might keep it there. Your hips and love handles, you might put it there. If you want to book a virtual call, you can be anywhere in the world. We meet via Zoom. We make it super efficient. I have found that a lot of you are busy. I do have 2 online courses, and I will be filming more in the next few months to come. I have a postpartum course, and I have a fascia facelift course. So if that's of interest to you, go to my website and learn more. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And then any comments, any concerns, any specifics, just mention them down below. I'll get to you. And then, anyone that you know that is interested in restoring their fascia, they're self-conscious about their bellies or their booties or cellulite, or they don't understand why they have cankles or thick shoulders. If you know anyone like that, share this with them. If you want quick tips, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I do my daily small little slices for you. But YouTube's a great place when you're sitting down, you're really wanting to hear my explanation and to digest it all.